Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, in here I will explain about there is and there are. Beforehand, let's watch the video together.
There's a horse, there's a rabbit, there's a duck, there's a frog, there are fish, there are lions, there are monkeys, there are cows. There's a horse, there's a rabbit, there's a duck, there's a frog, there are fish, there are lions, there are monkeys, there are cows. Is there this and is there that? Is there a dog? Is there a cat? Is there this and is there that? Is there a dog? Is there a cat? There's a cup, there's a kettle, there's a spoon, there's a knife, there are plates, there are bottles, there are toasters, there are forks. There's a cup, there's a kettle, there's a spoon, there's a knife, there are plates, there are bottles, there are toasters, there are forks. Is there this and is there that? Is there a bowl? Is there a bat? Is there this and is there that? Is there a bowl? Is there a bat? There's a shirt, there's a jacket, there's a belt, there's a scarf, there are shoes, there are dresses, there are sandals, there are boots. There's a shirt, there's a jacket, there's a belt, there's a scarf, there are shoes, there are dresses, there are sandals, there are boots. Is there this and is there that? Is there a glove? Is there a hat? Is there this and is there that? Is there a glove? Is there a hat?
Have you understood how the difference there is and there are? To understand more, please refer to the PowerPoint I have provided. Meaning of there. The word there in the English Indonesian Dictionary means ada or indicates someone or something that is known to exist. For example, there is a student in the class, which means ada seseorang murid di dalam kelas. Besides meaning ada, there also means di sana. Example, she is right here. Jadi kata there mempunyai dua arti, yaitu ada dan di sana. How to use there is and there are. There is always followed by a singular object. Singular nouns are generally followed by the article a or an before the noun. Example, there is an orange in the refrigerator. Jadi there is itu selalu diikuti dengan singular object atau kata objek tunggal. Singular nouns juga diikuti dengan artikel a or an sebelum noun. Example-nya, kalimat positif, there is an orange in the refrigerator. If you are going to use it for negative sentences, after is you must add not. Jadi kalau ingin membuat kalimat negatif itu sesudah is harus menambahkan kata not. Contohnya, there is not an orange in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, to create a question with a yes or no answer, you can reverse its position to is there. Jadi, jika ingin membuat kalimat tanya, kalian dapat mengganti posisi menjadi is there-nya itu yang di depan. Contohnya, is there an orange in the refrigerator? Seperti itu. And then, however, if the noun used is a noun that cannot be counted, the usage is also different. Use there is for uncountable nouns and then add some in front of the noun. Jadi kalau ingin membuat kalimat tetapi nounnya tidak bisa dihitung seperti air, water, milk, dan sebagainya, itu menambahkan kata some sebelum noun. For example, there is some water in the glass. And then, to make a negative sentence with an uncountable noun, use the word as a prefix. You can add the word not after is. Then, add any before the uncountable noun. Jadi, jika ingin membuat kalimat negatif dengan noun yang tidak bisa dihitung, kalian menambahkan kata not sesudah is, kemudian juga menambahkan kata any sebelum uncountable noun-nya itu. For example, there is not any juice in the fridge. Meanwhile, to make a question with a yes or no answer with uncountable noun, you can turn it into is there and add the word any in front of the uncountable noun. Jadi, kalau ingin membuat kalimat interrogatif dengan uncountable noun, kalian dapat menuliskan kata is there-nya di depan dan menambahkan kata any di depan uncountable noun-nya itu. Contohnya di sini, is there any milk in the fridge? Kemudian untuk penggunaan kata there are definitely always followed by object whose number is plural or more than one. Plural nouns are generally indicated by the ending s or as at the end of the word. Jadi there are itu selalu diikuti dengan objek yang jamak atau lebih dari satu. Plural nouns itu indikasinya adalah biasanya di akhirnya itu ada tambahan s atau es. You can use there are for positive sentences with a plural noun, add some and then the plural noun. Jadi kamu dapat jika ingin menggunakan kalimat positif dengan kata benda yang jamak, harus menambahkan kata some di sebelum kata benda tersebut. Contohnya, there are some oranges in the refrigerator. As for the use of negative sentences, use there are, add a not, then add any before the plural. Jadi, kalau ingin membuat kalimat negatif, menambahkan kata not, kemudian menambahkan kata any sebelum kata benda jamak tersebut. Contohnya, there are not any oranges in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, if you want to make a question using there are, you just have to reverse the position to are there and add it with any then the plural word. Jadi kalau ingin menggunakan atau membuat kalimat tanya menggunakan there are, itu kalian mengganti posisi are there-nya yang di depan, kemudian ditambah kata any sebelum kata benda jamak tersebut. For example, are there any boxes of milk in the refrigerator? Seperti itu. Maybe enough for me. Jika ada salah, mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.